Assalamu alaikum. Today we talk about sit and dot. Okay. So firstly, I clear the concept of sit. Okay. So sit is a collection, but it is unordered collection and it stores a unique values. Okay. So unordered collection. Okay. Sit is unordered collection, and now sit is also store only unique values. Okay, not duplicate values. Okay, so now I just want to show you that how sit is working. Okay, first of all, I just write main function and I just write sit. Okay, for integers values. Okay, so now I just want to write here. Okay, so now here you can see I just write a set. Okay, that returns a set. Okay, and also it store a values of set, and here you can see set is represented with these curly braces. Okay, list is represented with square braces and set is represented by these curly braces. Okay, so now I just store only these five elements. Okay, so now I just want to show you every elements we already know about this for each loop. Okay, so this for each loop returns void and it take a parameter as a function. Okay, here you can see, and this function is written also void. Okay, so here and the void means return nothing. Okay, and now I just pass a function. Okay, here you can see, and now I want to front every element. Okay, so now I just want to show you here. Okay, if I run this program, and here you can see every element is printed. Okay, so set is a very simple. This is an order collection. We already know about collection. So collection is a group of items or elements. Okay, that holds many values. Okay, so this is an ordered collection because this set don't give you guarantee of order. Okay, and it store only unique values. Okay, if I write here 5 also, so here you can see change or remove the duplicate element. Okay, so set is store only unique values. Okay, so I hope uh, you understand this, you will be understand this concept, and for now it's enough, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.